Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about keeping your Maserati MC20 Cielo in top condition. This isn't just a supercar, it's a masterpiece of Italian engineering, blending power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. To ensure it stays in peak shape, proper care is essential. Let's break it all down, from exterior maintenance to engine performance. The MC20 Cielo's stunning exterior demands attention, and regular maintenance keeps it looking flawless. Always wash the car using a pH-neutral car shampoo and a microfiber wash mitt to avoid scratches. The combination of glossy and matte surfaces requires specific care. Glossy parts should be waxed or ceramic coated for protection, while matte sections need dedicated matte finish cleaners. To protect the finish long-term, applying a ceramic coating is a great investment. This enhances shine, repels dirt, and adds a layer of UV protection, which is especially important given the car's glass roof. The retractable electrochromic glass roof is one of the MC20 Cielo's standout features, and it requires special attention. Always clean it with a non-ammonia-based glass cleaner to prevent damage to the electronic tinting function. The seals around the roof mechanism should be lubricated with a silicone-based product to prevent wear and maintain a smooth operation. Also, avoid opening or closing the roof in extreme temperatures, as this can strain the motorized components. The MC20 Cielo rides on stunning alloy wheels, paired with high-performance tires and carbon ceramic brakes. While these brakes offer incredible stopping power, they generate a lot of brake dust. Avoid using acidic cleaners, as they can damage the rotors and wheel finish. Instead, opt for a pH-balanced wheel cleaner and soft brushes to gently remove dirt. Regularly checking brake pad wear is crucial, since aggressive driving can wear them down faster than standard brakes. The tires also need consistent maintenance. Check air pressure frequently and ensure proper alignment to maximize longevity and performance. Inside, the MC20 Cielo is a luxurious mix of Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather. Alcantara is prone to wear over time, so use a dedicated cleaner with a soft brush to keep it fresh. Leather seats and trim should be treated with a quality conditioner to prevent cracking and discoloration. The dashboard and center console house sensitive electronics, so avoid using excessive moisture when cleaning to prevent damage. A microfiber cloth and an anti-static cleaner will keep the instrument cluster and infotainment screen free from dust and fingerprints. Now, let's talk about the heart of the MC20 Cielo, the 3.0L Nettuno twin-turbo V6 engine. Regular oil changes with factory-approved lubricants are essential to maintaining its high-performance capabilities. Since this engine uses Maserati's advanced pre-chamber combustion system, premium fuel is a must to ensure efficiency and longevity. Keep an eye on the coolant levels, as overheating can severely impact performance. The air filters should also be checked regularly. Clean airflow is vital for optimal power delivery, especially in a turbocharged engine. The transmission and drivetrain are equally important. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission in the MC20 Cielo provides lightning-fast shifts, but it needs proper care. Make sure transmission fluid is checked and changed as per Maserati's maintenance schedule. Avoid excessive clutch slip, especially in stop-and-go traffic, to extend the lifespan of the transmission components. The suspension system plays a key role in the MC20 Cielo's handling. With adaptive dampers and a front lift system, it's important to regularly inspect for any leaks or signs of wear, keeping an eye on the suspension settings and ensuring the electronic components are functioning correctly will maintain the car's precise handling. Battery maintenance is often overlooked, but with a high-tech vehicle like this, it's crucial. The MC20 Cielo relies on an advanced electrical system, and keeping the battery charged is essential, especially if the car isn't driven frequently. A trickle charger can help maintain battery health and prevent any starting issues. Also, check the key fob battery periodically to avoid unexpected failures. Software updates are another aspect of maintenance that many owners forget. Maserati frequently releases updates for the MC20's infotainment and driving systems. Regularly checking with your dealership or using Maserati's connected services ensures you're always running the latest software, which can improve everything from engine performance to navigation and driver assistance features. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for the expert tips on HIGT performance car care. Let me know in the comments if own an Cielo or if you planning to get one. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this incredible machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.